Hey everybody, how's it going? This video is how to replace your rear wiper on a Mazda CX-5. This particular CX-5 is a 2016. Has less than 20,000 miles on it, and it is parked next to the road. And what I believe happened was the snowplow kicked up a bunch of slush, hit the window, and broke the wiper arm off. The replacement part number for this job is L20667-421, and I don't know where the receipt went, but it was cheaper to buy it from the dealer than it was to buy it online and pay shipping. I believe this was $32. So, let's get started. There's a plastic cover here, which you may have removed before if you've ever replaced a wiper blade on one of these style arms. So, you remove that. That's a 10 millimeter, which I've got a 10 millimeter socket ready to go right here. Be very gentle and make sure you don't lose your nuts. And now the trick is to, there was something I had read where you pull on it, or put it in like the up position, and then you can work it off. Let me stop the camera for a second and then I'll explain how I did it. Okay, so I got it off. The way I got it off is you're supposed to pull on it towards you at an angle, and then it should lift off. Now, installation of the new part should be the reverse of installation, or removal. Sorry, I haven't had coffee today. So, there's our new arm, and as I'm not the owner of this vehicle, I'm not exactly sure where the blade part is from the old arm, so I'm going to hold off on installing that for now. But the installation of the new arm is you place it on, and you got to make sure it's at the angle that you want. It probably would have been a good idea if I had marked out on the glass where it was with like some tape or something, and make sure it's at the angle that you want. Put your wiper blade on, have it out, get it lined up, wrench it down, and I'll show you the finished or semi-finished product. Okay, so if you watched the last clip closely, you'll remember that I actually had this angled up a little bit higher, and I had my friend who owns the car get into it and turn the wiper on, and I watched it, and it was hitting right here on the paint, so I had to then adjust it down, and now it stops over here, which seems much more appropriate. You tighten this 10 millimeter nut down, you replace the cap, you make sure beforehand you have put your wiper blade on, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I don't do how-to videos very often, but I would like to get into doing them more in the future. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have them, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.